red plug it. Oh, and he's come.
Oh, huge high sign! Oh my goodness me!
Well,
Luca Marini.
Goodness
oh
me.
my good.
On court to go, Marquez versus Rennes. Here we go then, around the final corner. Rennes is going to have another look. Surely not.